Learn English to Gujarati, with regard to, primarily, and
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
made funny. Welcome to Formal Gujarati without falling asleep. Hey, you are about to learn useful formal Gujarati without sounding like a robot in a necktie. And yes, we will keep it funny so your brain stays awake. Today you will learn how to say expressions like with regard to, in the course of, on the basis of, within the framework of, at the expense of, in favor of, and primarily. In Gujarati, our stars are
ના સંદર્ભમાં. દરમિયાન. ના આધારે. I'm ramen one. ના ભોગે. ના હિતમાં.
and.
મુખ્યત્વે.
Imagine you are entering a serious office, but the office parrot keeps shouting formal phrases before every snack break. Word parade. Let us meet the phrases one by one. Say them aloud with me, even if your cat starts judging your pronunciation. With regard to becomes.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
Think of putting an idea inside a frame of context. In the course of becomes.
દરમિયાન.
This is your word for during an event or process. On the basis of becomes.
ના આધારે.
A decision stands on facts, like a chair standing on legs. Within the framework of is given here as.
I'm ramen one.
It means something happens as part of a larger structure or program. At the expense of becomes.
ના ભોગે.
One side wins, the other side pays the price. In favor of becomes.
ના હિતમાં.
This is the language of support, votes, and legal decisions. Primarily becomes.
મુખ્યત્વે.
It means mainly, chiefly, first of all in importance. A meeting that escalated quickly. Now you will hear a mini-story. It contains every target phrase, plus just enough chaos to make it memorable. On Monday morning, the office manager walked in with a very serious face and a very silly mug that said, I survive.
મુખ્યત્વે.
On tea. He began.
બજેટના સંદર્ભમાં.
We need more details. Everyone nodded because that sounded important. Then.
ચર્ચા દરમિયાન.
3 new ideas appeared, 2 vanished, and 1 fell under the table. The final decision was made.
અહેવાલના આધારે.
Not on guesswork, not on horoscope predictions, and definitely not on who brought the best biscuits. The new training session was organized.
I'm ramen one.
The larger company program. One terrible idea suggested saving money.
ગુણવત્તાના ભોગે.
The whole room gasped like characters in a dramatic soap opera. Luckily, the team voted.
કર્મચારીઓના હિતમાં.
And the manager concluded, we are.
મુખ્યત્વે.
Focused on safety, clarity, and snacks in that order. Useful example lines. Here are clean examples you can steal, borrow, and practice. No language police will stop you. With regard to the budget, we need more details. In Gujarati.
બજેટના સંદર્ભમાં અમને વધુ વિગતો જોઈએ.
With regard to your question, the answer is yes.
તમારા પ્રશ્નના સંદર્ભમાં જવાબ હા છે.
In the course of the meeting, we changed the plan.
મીટિંગ દરમિયાન અમે યોજના બદલી.
In the course of the discussion, many ideas appeared.
ચર્ચા દરમિયાન ઘણા વિચારો આવ્યા.
The decision was made on the basis of the report.
નિર્ણય અહેવાલના આધારે લેવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
They hired her on the basis of experience.
તેઓએ અનુભવના આધારે તેને નોકરીએ રાખી.
They made profits at the expense of the workers.
તેમણે કામદારોના ભોગે નફો કર્યો.
He saved time at the expense of quality.
તેણે ગુણવત્તાના ભોગે સમય બચાવ્યો.
She spoke in favor of the new plan.
તેણીએ નવી યોજનાના હિતમાં વાત કરી.
They voted in favor of change.
તેઓએ બદલાવના હિતમાં મત આપ્યો.
Primarily, we need water and food.
મુખ્યત્વે, અમને પાણી અને ખોરાક જોઈએ.
This book is primarily for beginners.
આ પુસ્તક મુખ્યત્વે શરૂઆત કરનારાઓ માટે છે.
Tiny dialogue, big drama. Let us do a short dialogue. Read both parts, and if you want, give each speaker a ridiculous voice. A. What are we discussing? B.
આ મુદ્દાના સંદર્ભમાં.
We need a decision today. A. When did the idea appear? B.
ચર્ચા દરમિયાન.
A. Why did you choose this plan? B.
અહેવાલના આધારે.
A. Did they save money fairly? B. No, they did it.
ગુણવત્તાના ભોગે.
A. Do you support the proposal? B. Yes, I am.
તેના હિતમાં.
A. What matters most right now? B.
મુખ્યત્વે.
Safety. Memory tricks that actually stick. Now let us glue these phrases into your memory. We will use odd images because normal images are lazy. 4.
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
Imagine a golden picture frame around every topic. If someone says budget, the frame snaps around the word budget. 4.
દરમિયાન.
Imagine a long road. Events happen while you walk down it. Not before, not after, but during. 4.
ના આધારે.
Picture a detective standing on a pile of evidence and shouting, I am not guessing, I am standing on facts. 4.
I'm Ramen Won.
Picture a giant wooden frame. Everything inside belongs to one big program, conference, or official plan. 4.
ના ભોગે.
Imagine a balance scale. One side rises with profit while the other side drops with loss. 4.
ના હિતમાં.
Imagine a courtroom where one side glows warmly because the decision supports them. 4.
મુખ્યત્વે.
Imagine a spotlight shining on one main object while all the side details sulk in the shadows. Quick quiz. Time for a friendly quiz. No pressure. If you miss one, just blame the office parrot. How do you say with regard to?
ના સંદર્ભમાં.
How do you say in the course of or during?
દરમિયાન.
How do you say on the basis of?
ના આધારે.
How do you say within the framework of?
I'm Ramen Won.
How do you say at the expense of?
ના ભોગે.
How do you say in favor of?
ના હિતમાં.
How do you say primarily?
મુખ્યત્વે.
Your speaking challenge. Now it is your turn. Say these aloud like you are the most confident person in the meeting, even if you are actually in pajamas. Say, with regard to the report.
અહેવાલના સંદર્ભમાં.
Say, during the meeting.
મીટિંગ દરમિયાન.
Say, on the basis of evidence.
પુરાવાના આધારે.
Say, at the expense of quality.
ગુણવત્તાના ભોગે.
Say, in favor of the children.
બાળકોના હિતમાં.
Say, primarily for beginners.
મુખ્યત્વે શરૂઆત કરનારાઓ માટે.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a set of formal Gujarati phrases that can make your speech sound clear, precise, and impressively organized. Today you practiced.
ના સંદર્ભમાં. દરમિયાન. ના આધારે. I'm Ramen Won. ના ભોગે. ના હિતમાં.
And.
મુખ્યત્વે.
Thank you for listening and keep practicing out loud. Repeat the phrases tomorrow, use them in your own sentences, and your Gujarati will grow stronger one smart little phrase at a time.